Morning, baby girls. What's the matter, Chanel? What do you want to do? Tell mommy. Okay. What do you want to do? Pee? Poop? Walk?
I don't think she knows.
I don't know if you want to go outside? Go poop? No, you want to go for a walk, right? Outside? Yeah, I know.
Beautiful sunny morning.
Today, the RV took us to Morrison Dam Conservation Park, where there is I think it said like a 4-kilometer hike, but if you join it to the other one, it becomes 8 kilometers. So in total, we could have an 8-kilometer hike on this trail. We are going to go down some of these trails. On the other side of the road is the dam, and there is a kayak and canoe launch. So we're hopefully going to take those out too on the water and get some fishing in. So here's the start. Got a little pavilion, woodland shelter. Oh. Spot to sit.
Must be a tree of memories.
Yeah, you probably, reflection tree.
Yeah. We're here.
Okay, so that's where we are, and this is this trail, and then you cross the road, and then you go onto that trail, and that's where the kayaking and canoeing and fishing is, over there. Oh wow, it even goes out that far past the water. Oh, it's always downhill at the beginning.
It's not a good sign. Sunburn hot from yesterday?
Yeah.
That was the shoulders from the backpack.
Fine, everything's fine, little itchy, but when I'm in the sun, I can feel it.
Yesterday was our first day in the sun for because it's been not great weather, but the trees are so nice and beautiful. Albino squirrel up by the log on the trail. Not sure if the GoPro will pick it up. It's actually letting us get pretty close. I don't know. There it goes. There it is. The albino squirrel. There's one of the loco stations we're coming out to. These are the list of the birds that we're probably seeing here or following. Oh, nice. Very nice. So the creek runs up here, but this must ran dry, and the big water must continue down over there somewhere. We'll probably cross it again. Coming up to a bridge crossing. So far it's been a really nice shaded trail, out in the sun a little bit, but not a whole lot, and well maintained. Pretty long bridge. It even goes across right over there. We're going to end up. Come on, girls. So it looks like you can cross the water here or keep going. So we're not going to cross the water yet, but we'll go take a look. Come across a little wetland. It controls all the probably the runoff from. We came across an area where there's residents in the back. Some storm water. Coming open to an open grass area. Ooh, nice little cement trail added in here. This conservation well taken care of. Girls need a little drinky, so we're gonna come down to the water. Go on, get a drink. You got him?
Oh, I have one. Chanel's a scooper when she drinks. And Autumn just loves playing water. Autumn's like, fuck it, I'm laying down.
Wants to cool off. Anyway, you can go back and I'll take you back to the parking lot on the other side, but you keep on going. Looks like a golf course up there. So if you got dogs, there's lots of little water spots to take your dogs down. I know some people are like, oh my God, I can't believe you let them drink out of that water. Well, guess what? They've been doing it since they've been babies. Little rest area. Well, the dogs get a drink. So right now we're having debates about getting trolley carts for our kayaks. Drop in the comments what do you think or what you guys use. Because most of the trails we've been to, you got to walk with our kayaks and they're pretty heavy. So, you know, you get those little carts and boop.
It's just a long walk for the weight of them.
Yeah.
They're not
lightweight kayaks. Oh, Chanel.
Chanel, now what are we going to do? Up. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come here, Bubby. Okay, turn around.
Girls, look at Dad.
Turn around, sit.
Look at Daddy.
Sit.
Sit.
There you go. Look at Daddy.
Autumn, Chanel. Autumn, Chanel. So along the trail, check this out. Old school teeter-totter. Woo, look at the falls. Or the dam, whatever you want to call it. 4.5 kilometers there that we just finished. Go up the steps, back to the parking lot. But we're gonna go up the hill because of the dogs. Or you can go up and around to there. No better way to walk out the trail and greeted by, oh, there she is, she's so beautiful.
What's on the lunch menu today? It's a very late lunch. Sub from Foodland, some nacho chips, and taco dip, and we have some homemade cookies.
I won't be looking back over my shoulder. Don't need directions to get